Here we are again at Cottage. This week's episode is all about the little projects and things that we have to do in the garden. There's always something to do, and as I'm recovering from the flu, I have a few projects that need to be done, and so I have been out in the garden planting some veggies, and I have been bird netting it because birds are always an issue. Anyway, we're loving our little pond project that is ticking along very nicely. Please watch the full episode, 8:30 p.m. New Zealand time, Saturday night. Until next time, take care.